الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فما للذين كفروا قبلك معطين عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم صدق الله العلي العظيم. Lecture number 7 for second year class, sex determination and sex linkage, how the sexes are determined. I will tell you about the mutant strain of Drosophila melanogaster. That was mutant strain, and that mutant strain help in identification of sex chromosomes and the sex linkage. I will tell you X small WY was its genotype. It was abnormal mutant strain. Once again I will tell you, one was red-eyed female XW plus. You can use any alphabets, but you must use X because X female, XY male in case of human. So during formation of the gametes, XW will be formed, and then in this case of the gamete formation, two type of gametes will be produced, X small w, but it has no counterpart in the Y chromosome. It means that when one X chromosome present, when Y chromosome present, X linked genes present only on X chromosomes. So therefore male is hollandric, mean one gene present and other gene lacking. Why other gene is not present? Because Y chromosome present, that maintain the sex in the humans, and due to SRY gene, sex determining region of the Y, that gene present in the Y chromosome, due to which we are male. So male in the humans are determining sex. In this, how we get information? This is interesting question. When it was crossed, red-eyed, look at the genotype here in the Punnett scale. This is red-eyed female, this is the red-eyed female, this is the red-eyed female, okay, this is the red-eyed female. Once again, this is the red-eyed male, so there was no white-eyed character was formed. But one thing is clear, that white-eyed gene transfer, that is very important point which I will discuss here. White-eyed gene transfer from male to female, look here, from the male to the female, the white small w was present in the male, and in the F1 generation, where is the white-eyed character? It goes to XW of the female. So this is the X-linked traits travels from male to female and female to male, mean grandfather is ill, for example any recessive gene is present, grandson will be safe, and the grandson will not be safe. His son and daughter will be safe, but daughter will be carrier. Here in this case, female is carrier, and it can pass on this ill gene. For example, if this ill, in case of hemophilia, in case of color blindness, those are X-linked recessive gene. Here is the white-eyed male in Drosophila melanogaster, but in case of the color blindness, this gene travels from similar fashion. It means when you will understand these crossings, you will understand all crossings related with X-linked genes. Those travel from male to female and female to male, mean that grandfather will, from the grandfather the gene will go to daughter, but daughter will be normal, because that you can see the daughter in this case. For example, if this is daughter, if this crossing is in the human body, this is daughter, but red-eyed character reason because due to heterozygous condition, dominant gene will appear, recessive gene will not appear. So this was the reason that this ratio was white-eyed character did not appear yet. This is according to Mendelian traits, and until we are satisfied. Now the next class was the self class, in which the red-eyed male and the carrier means red-eyed female having white-eyed gene will be crossed. This was strange results were achieved. Look at the results. Numbers here is not written, but I will tell you the numbers. XW plus W, that is the red-eyed female, clear. XW plus W, red-eyed female. This is the white-eyed male. This is the red-eyed female. It is clear now that the X-linked recessive trait travels from male. I will make the zigzag path by lines. You will see, from male to female, and then female to, and then from just, it is not okay, just hold on, from female to male. Look here, this was the female, here the female was the character, and then it goes to male. This is the white-eyed male. So this character transferred. I should little bit reduce, and I show the zigzag path to understand in a better way. Just hold on. Now this is very good idea to explain. Yes, look here, white-eyed male goes to white-eyed male, the gene small w, white-eyed male goes to XW of carrier, daughter is normal, but it goes to red-eyed female to white-eyed male. In this case, I will rub this there, just I am talking about this one. It goes to this case, white-eyed male. So this is the zigzag fashion. Morgan did not knew this is the gene crossing of the sex-linked genes, because sex-linked genes behavior are different, and autosomes behavior are autosomes are the genes which are situated on the different chromosome pairs which are not sex chromosomes. So these are the sex chromosome behavior, XY chromosome present in the male and XX chromosome present in the female. What will happen in this case? Now crossings will tell us that how the Morgans were able to identify this Hollandric nature of the male, that the male consists of Y chromosome. Here was the problem. Where was the problem? When he calculated the ratios mathematically, say we 136 or 121, when they simplified the calculation was not 3:1. This is the point. In this case, according to Mendel's law of segregation, the ratio must be 3:1. It was less than 1. Mean that the ratio was about 3:0 was 0.8 or 0.9. Now there were several hypotheses or several assumptions in the mind of the Morgan. One assumption was that might be white-eyed male killed the white female. White-eyed female will be formed. White-eyed, because there is no white-eyed female. You can see there is no white-eyed female here. So white-eyed male killed the white-eyed female. So that was the assumption. This assumption did not satisfy the result. Reason is that because white-eyed male was produced, but this white-eyed male did not kill white-eyed female. According to Morgan was thinking about that, how they verified that white-eyed male did not kill white-eyed female and white-eyed female was produced. Later on they confirmed that white-eyed female is not produced, and this ratio technically is less than 3:3 less than 1. So these calculations are deviating from the law of Mendel's law of segregation. They confirmed, the T.H. Morgan confirmed how they verified this status, that these calculations are wrong and they are not following the Mendel's law. They did test cross. How they did test cross? You know that when dominant generation is crossed with recessive generation, and they did test cross. In the test cross, they took the red-eyed female red eyed, you know that you have to take in the test class you have to take the carrier, you have to take the dominant generation and the recessive generation, and they did test class offspring using the red eyed female was crossed with the white eyed male. So when they crossed red eyed female with the white eyed male, so this is the rule in the test class, that the ratio must be equal to 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this, red eyed female, all four generations were produced, all four generations were produced, red eyed female produced red eyed, white eyed female was produced, white eyed male was produced, and red eyed male was produced. So all four generations were produced, but unfortunately the ratio were not following the rules of the test class. 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 was not present, mean these generation of the white eyed male and white eyed female, those ratios were less. But one thing achieved, white eyed female was produced in this test class. So it is clear now that white eyed female was not produced in F2 generation, and by doing the test cross was also deviating from the result. So there is something wrong. What was the wrong thing? Was that male was Holendrick. In that time the Morgan did not know, after the test cross, Holendrick mean that male is not homozygous, not heterozygous, and male has the chromosomes, one chromosome which is not X chromosome, and that X chromosome is not consisting of the gene. So small w is not present on the Y chromosome, small w only present on X chromosome, it is not present on the Y chromosome. Why it is not present in the Y chromosome? Reason, because male is Holendrick. This Holendrick nature, or male hemizygous. Acha, you can say Y chromosome is Holendrick because Y-linked genes only present on the Y chromosome, X-linked genes only present on the X chromosome, pseudo-autosomal genes present on both chromosomes, but X-linked genes are Holendrick or hemizygous. Male is hemizygous. So one gene is present. So recessive gene is lacking in the Y chromosome due to decrease in the numbers of recessive genes. What happened? The recessive characters reduced, white-eyed character reduced, and then the white-eyed female was not produced. When white-eyed female was produced in the test class, their ratios were less. For example, these were 100, the red-eyed was 100, red-eyed male and female were 100, these were 80 or 40. They were not equal to 1 ratio. So this is clear that one gene is lacking by the test cross. Last cross was reciprocal cross. It confirmed that these recessive characters, X-linked recessive character, they goes from male to female and female to male. Look here, white-eyed female, reciprocal cross mean opposite cross. We started from the cross white-eyed male and finished Morgan at the cross white-eyed female. This was opposite cross with the red-eyed female. So what was the result? The white-eyed female XW changes and gone, this character goes to female to male. I will magnify, you can see female to male. Yes, you can see female to male. It means this character X-linked gene transfer from male to female, female to male. Second point is that ratios will not be according to Mendel's law. Third point is that you can verify these ratios by doing test cross. Fourth point is that these crossings are valid for all X-linked recessive disease, and X-linked recessive disease like color blindness, hemophilia, they will do same crossings. with the same crossing they will do, and they will be more common in the male. They will be more common in the male. I give you example. For example, color blindness is X-linked recessive disease. You can see X small c, X small c, one possibility of color blind in the female, only one possibility. And in the female there is no any other possibility of color blind, because dominant gene will protect the female. In case of male, what will happen in case of the male? In case of the male gene, X small c capital Y, color blindness male, X capital C capital Y, normal male, 50% chance to develop color blindness or hemophilia or any X-linked recessive disease. Similar crossings, you will not change anything, just you will use W plus and W is recessive. You will just use any alphabet for color blindness and any alphabet for the hemophilia like small h, and crossings will be same Drosophila crossing in the case of the humans, male to female, female to male, and ratios are less than 3:1, and test cross, and male to female and female to male zigzag path this character will flow. So this is the X-linked inheritance. And in case of humans, we did crossings in the Drosophila, therefore we did not use ship line, because we cannot self-cross the humans due to some because humans, we can't use those self-crossings signs for the humans as we were using for the animals. So here, because marriage occur, we will use the marriage line or ship line. So ship line, X, you can see X small h Y is the hemophilic X-linked recessive disease. So he will be hemophilic because the red blood cells will not be able to transfer the oxygen. And second one, if you see the second male, the which marry, yes, mother. This is the father basically, X small hy, father. This hemophilic father will combine with the normal mother, X capital H capital H. It is very simple. It goes to, the character goes to daughter. Look here, daughter. He wrote carrier daughter. That's the same point I was telling you, that the recessive gene, the disease gene, the ill gene will transfer from male to female. So it happened. The male gene went from male to female. Male to female. I will do that crossing, just male to female. Male to female. When female will be crossed with any other male, mean husband, so then what will happen? The sons will be victim. X, I will once again want to magnify to show all crossing at one place. You clearly see the flow of recessive gene from where it starts and where it is going. Small h hemophilic gene going from male to female carrier, but daughter is normal due to heterozygous condition, because X-linked recessive disease are more common in the males than the females. Then this recessive gene move from female to male, so you can see the male is victim in this case. So X-linked recessive trait goes from male to female, female to male. And Y-linked gene study is not complicated and not much highlighted in your syllabus reason, because Y chromosome only present in the male and they are not present in the female. When Y chromosome present, the sex is male. Y chromosome not present, the sex is not male. And similar sexes are present in Drosophila, but opposite sexes are present in the birds, ZW, as I explained in the classroom. So this was about the lecture about the sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila and in case of sex-linked recessive diseases in the human being.